to use Facebook nearby friends. That's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do to use Facebook nearby friends is you have to simply open your Facebook app and then click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. After that, here you can see all these options under your in this menu. In these boxes you can see page COVID-19 information, weather watch, saved, gaming, jobs, and here you can see all you can also see the nearby friends. So if you can see the nearby friends, you can click on the nearby friends, but if you can't see the nearby friends, then you can see this in the here you can see the see more button under these boxes. Click on the see more, and here you can find the nearby friends if you can't see the option of nearby friends. After seeing the option nearby friends, click on the nearby friends and then click on the change location access. If you want that, click on the not now, click on the change location access, click on the OK, give the location permission, and after giving the permission, what you can see is you can see your the users near by your friends. So here you can see in this in my case there is only one person who is near me. So this is the this person with username under the elsewhere tab, and here you can see they have the message option, so you can message with the person by clicking on the um, messenger with the message button in the right side of the username. In my case there is only one person, but in your case there will be more persons, more friends, so that you can message with them if you know them, and then you so that's basically that how you can use the Facebook nearby friends. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.